Hi guys, hello and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. For today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Poland. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And I'm so excited to watch and make a video reaction for this amazing artist from Poland because she will be representing in Eurovision 2025, and I did some previous reaction on her performance to in preparation with Eurovision 2025. I think she has a good chance to win this year's Eurovision 2025, and the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is the performance of Justyna Kozka Rakam du Dumo. This Rakam Dudumo, guys, is translate with I'm going home. I hope the translation of the Google Translate is accurate. I'm going home, Rakam Dudumo, and credit also with the owner of the video to Justyna Kozga. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also, of course, to the artist itself, Justyna, because I love her. I love her tonality. I love her vocal range. It's so amazing and phenomenal. And yeah, let's get to it. I hope you enjoyed with this one, guys, and watch the full video because we have to do some few cuts on this video reaction so that it will not be black worldwide. Let's get to it. Enjoy, guys, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React. Enjoy. You're a superhero. Oh, where is this place?
Wracam do domu ostatni raz.
Wow, those mellow-tone as she sings the few lines of it, you can truly feel those beautiful tones she's giving. It's such so amazing to hear the sweetness, those melody, and like the mellow tone she's giving. And let me know at the comment section, where is this particular place? I think in a chapel or in a church. Like there's a lot of congregation or like people. Wow, I think this is a worship song. And let me know also at the comment section the lyrics of this song because when I heard it, it's so amazing to listen. Goodness gracious, I love it.
Wiem, że czekałeś przed wschodem dnia.
God.
Wiem, że czekałeś, aż powiem tak. Wracam do domu.
You can like the sense of the song, it's something like worshipy, or it's like a gospel song that she's singing because of the place that she's considered, of the way that she was invited to perform. This is amazing. I love the softness of her voice. I love the like the emotion she's portraying on this performance. That's why I really like Justyna, because once she performed, she felt into the song and dig in into the song. And this is crazy amazing. Wow. I'm very excited, guys, because she will represent Poland for this year's Eurovision.
Ostatni raz. Wszystko, co mam, co dał mi świat, noszę w sobie, by kiedyś ci dać. Choć mówią, że nie mamy szans, ciągle wierzę, że jeszcze jest czas.
Wow. It's like goodness gracious. When this woman singing, you can feel the true emotions. You can relate to it. even that this language I think is in Polish, but I heard some like there is a closeness to French language because I enjoyed it. It's like it's pleasing to my ear listening the words and the lyrics of the song, even that I cannot understand. That I told you before that when music like can connect to any people from different part of the world, and this is how Justina make it this song so relatable, so understandable, and with her like perfect emotions towards the song. That's boom, it's phenomenal.
I chcę razem z tobą zakończyć ten dzień. Ten jeden raz.
God.
Wracam do domu. Wiem, że już czas. Poczuć chcę znowu.
I can really I can really attest her talent that she's very good compared to Maya performance for the preparation of Eurovision 2025 and this song. It's like G had different levels because the Maya was she's giving into like high pitch and very good quality of intonation and vocal quality. She's showing everything on that performance because she dance, she moves, and then her vocal quality changes in different levels. And this one, the softness, the mellow, the sweetness of her performance on this, because I think she relates on the place, on the like on the performance, she was into it and into the song also. That's why it's I told you it's like there is a gospel thing on it, there is a worship song. That's why you can see her facial expression, how she sang it with beautifully, and her incredible voice make it this song. It's amazing. Wow.
Smak tamtych lat. Było tak wiele radości w nas.
God.
Wracam do domu. Ostatni raz. Wszystko, co mam, co dał mi świat, noszę w sobie, by kiedyś ci dać. Choć mówią, że nie mamy szans, ciągle.
This is what I really like of an artist when they really connected with the song and connected also with the audience. And I love the whole ensemble with this one, like those instruments to accompaniment with her amazing song and voice that make it so fantastic in this like the performance of this place. And yeah, even like the people watching her, I think just jaw drop. And I believe to those people who commented on my previous reaction on her performance of Maya, it was she's amazing, and she really have a good chance in winning this year's Eurovision 2025 because the way, the quality of her voice and the way how she connected every song, it's incredibly impeccable, and that's amazing of an artist.
Wierzę, że jeszcze jest czas i chcę razem z tobą zakończyć ten bieg.
Yes.
Ostatni raz. Oddam ci więcej, niż będziesz chciał. Jeszcze razem będziemy się śmiać z tego, co było, z grzechów i kłamstw.
even that you cannot hear like many high pitches on the song, because I think she just related it to the lyrics of the song, that this is how I attack with this one, and the level of it, it's like she give with pure emotion. She gave it with such beautiful tone. The melody of it, it's incredibly like so gorgeous to listen and pleasing to my ear. And I really want, if I will be there watching with her, I will get like crying because she nailed it. She killed it. And yeah, she's amazing. And I believe on you guys, to those people, to the police, and to other people, even a lot of countries supported with this young woman, very talented from Poland, that she's very amazing and she's very talented. And I believe with you, and she's amazing. She's incredible.
Kłamstw wciąż pamiętam twój uśmiech sprzed lat. Warto
Oh my.
próbować, pomimo ran. Nie pozwolę ci więcej się bać. Zacząć od nowa chcesz ty i ja. Tylko proszę, nie zostawiaj mnie tak.
Oh my.
Nie zostawiaj, nie zostawiaj mnie tak. Nie zostawiaj, nie zostawiaj mnie tak.
Wow. Yes.
Nie zostawiaj. Bo wszystko, co mam, co dał mi świat,
Oh my God.
może sobie
Whew. I'm feeling.
by kiedyś ci dać.
Oh my God, Justina. Oh my God. I think this is such an emotional and powerful song. See, even like the last part of that song, that even she's like singing or uttering a words, but the emotions, the teary eyes, she's portraying it with perfection and everything. And I like the whole ensemble, the place, the setting of this performance. It's like phenomenal. She was singing that you were outside of the world or any part of the world, that she's bringing you something there that's so special. And this performance is so very special. And thank you, Justina, for your amazing talent, that you really connected with people. Even that I'm Filipino, but I relate with the song. Even I cannot understand it, but the way how you delivered with such pure emotion, and that's really incredible. And I love it so much. And even those like the audience feel emotional with it, seeing those faces, the emotion. Wow, they really connected, and that's beautiful. And the place, I love this, the structure of the building. And let me know at the comment section, guys, where is this place, and also the lyrics of the song, so that I can fully understand with it. And I appreciate if you put in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed watching with this one, because I enjoyed it so much. I was moved and happy making this a reaction, because I'm excited to just sign up for representing Eurovision 2025 for Poland. Thank you so much. And please, if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Justina performances or any Polish artist, put in the comment section. I'd love to read and respond with you. All God bless, guys. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris Reacts. Bye bye guys, God bless, and see you in my next video reaction. Have a good day everyone.